9, these things get changed. Okay, the numbers get changed. I'm pressing F9 on my. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel GetPerfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about some random formulas. Okay, we have two formulas called as RAND and RANDBETWEEN. These formulas are used to get some random numbers between a specific number range. Remember, these are only for numbers and not for alphabets. Okay, so let's jump on to the first formula, that is RAND. So these rand gives us a random numbers between 0 to a specific higher number. Okay, so rand always starts from 0, and we can set a higher number. If you want a number between a specific number range, say from 10 to 20, 20 to 25, or 0 to 50, or you can say 1000 to 2000, then we have to use rand between. So let's first see how to use a rand formula. So I made a table. In this field, in these cells, I want numbers from 0 to 1. So if you just say RAND and open bracket close bracket, you will get a number from 0 to 1. So these are in decimals. I'll copy this and I'll just say Control V. If you don't know what is Control C and Control V, please check my first video. I'll keep the link in the description box. Okay, now here I want from 0 to 10. So I'll using a RAND formula. So RAND open brackets close bracket into sign and say 10. See, now I'm getting 2.2. If I drag this till this number, I'll get anything between 0 and 10. Okay, now I want something between 0 to 100. So the formula is RAND open bracket close bracket into 100 and press enter, and I just drag this till the bottom. See, I'll get all the numbers between 0 and 100. Now if you have observed, if I just press F9 on your keyboard, sorry, it's getting locked on my keyboard. I have not pressed the function key. Suppose if I press F9, these things get changed. Okay, the numbers get changed. I'm pressing F9 on my keyboard, the numbers are getting changed. In order to not change, or even if I type anything, say a number of 54, this is getting changed, or any number, so just not 54, anything I'm typing, anything, the numbers are getting changed. Suppose I don't want to change this number. If I type anything in the window or in the Excel, or even if I press F9, what I need to do, I just need to copy the cells which I don't want them to change. Even if I type anything, just copy them, right click, go to paste specials and say values and say OK. Okay, now even if I press F9, I'm pressing F9, nothing is happening. I'm entering anything, nothing is happening. See, I made the values fixed. If you have not checked my paste special video, I'm leaving the link in the description box. Please go ahead and check that. Okay, so this is RAND, where you get numbers from 0 to a specific limit you want the numbers to be. Now let's see the second formula, that is RAND between. So RAND between is where you can specify a smaller number and a higher number. If you can see here, I specified 10 to 20, 50 to 100, 100 to 1000, which was not possible in RAND formula. In RAND formula, it gets start from 0 itself by default. So now let's see how to use a RAND between formula. So the RAND between open brackets. Now it is asking me to enter the bottom number. Here the bottom number is 0, comma 10. This can also be used for this particular criteria. It can also be used using a RAND formula. See, there is no number which is exceeding about 10. Now let's see 10 to 20. RAND between, the bottom number is 10 and the max number is 20, and I close the bracket and press enter. See 15. I drag this. See, none of the numbers are exceeding 20. Here you got 20, 20, but it is not exceeding 20. Same here, rand between, bottom number is 20, top number is 50. Okay, enter. Good. So if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you have done so, thank you so much. Now check 50, between 50 to 100. Bottom is 50, max is 100, close bracket, enter. I copy this, enter. And now maximum 100 to 1000. I'm sorry, equal to RAND between hundreds. Okay, see, now the same trick, this is getting changed if I press F9, if I enter any number. In order to not change this, use the paste special. So I'll copy this, I'll say paste special and values. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family. Please comment your feedbacks and subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching. Please do take care of